hello again. Hi, I'm Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today I am announcing that I am going to begin my 7-day dry fast on the winter solstice, which is also the new moon, which is also a bunch of other crazy things I'm going to try to tie together in the same date. And so that way when I start the dry fast, the days will be progressively longer for me. Not only that, 5 days into it, I should be able to celebrate another birthday. So I'll be rebirthing myself and celebrating the birth of a very interesting character that figured it all out. That this is ours. There's no church in between this and this. That's what he told us. It's been perverted and crazied and, you know, lost gospels and all this stuff. But if you ever read the Ethiopian church stuff about this, yeah. He was there like 30 days or 40 days after the resurrection. So yeah, there's a lot that we've missed because this guy had a big message. The big message was, there is no body, mind, and soul. There is only one thing, that is you. You're a unique person. You're a unique personality. The nuances of your genetic combinations over millions of years to make you who you are. And then to be in a time, a magical time with flying things and spaceships and all this stuff, to finally figure out that this is all just energy, just like this, just like out there, and it's just going to keep going on and on and on and on and on, because that's what the universe does. It makes things. That's all it does. It can remake you, and that's why I dry fast. Because in dry fasting, you're not eating or drinking. You're closing down all the avenues to get external badness in you, and you're cleansing yourself. You end up lighter, smarter, clearer thinking, less desires and habits, and all that stuff tends to melt away in the distance. So yeah, it's like being reborn. So 5 days into it, there's another guy that had 3 days into it and walked out. So yeah, it's a great time of year. It's not a time for all sorts of gifts and stuff. It's a time to do things for others. It's a time to care about others. It's a time to lend a hand, go the extra mile for others. It's just that kind of time of the year. The other thing I'm going to try and do is I have to check to see what my ascending sign is during those days, because if it is, I'm going to probably try the Oil of Christos thing. I talk about it in this book, the manifesting book, which isn't out yet. It will be out soon. And it's a whole process of the central nervous system channeling the pituitary down to the coccyx and back up. It's a 3-day event. It's the Oil of Christos, the rebirth of Christ. And all the popes do it. All the religious guys have been doing it for 2,000 years. So it's like a pretty interesting idea. Let's see if we can pull that one off. So yeah, I start my dry fast on Sunday. And I'll be taking you along on it. And that's about it. I mean, the next couple of days I'm going to be eating more fruit and some vegetables and cleaning out my colon so the constipation doesn't happen. And just basically getting ready. I mean, my body has been telling me for a couple of months now, you got to dry fast, man. You got to do a dry fast. And I'm listening. There's a lot of things going on. I wanted to get the books to the point where I can just go into editing now and get them out there for you guys. And now it's time. Perfect time. New moon, solstice, Oil of Christos. Who knows? It's a great time to be alive. And you'll notice no commercials. Why would I interrupt my conversation with you? Anyway, that's it for today. If you're new here, look down below. Lots of videos for you to check out. and probably answer a lot of questions you may have. You always get the book, which will answer almost all the questions. And that's about it for the day. You know, I'm going to consider going out there. The thing is, with Florida waves, the speed is not there. But it's always a good day to get wet. See ya.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.